When I make this rice and sausage at home, everyone always asks for seconds. Let's start by adding 500 g of sausage to a pan. I'm using thin sausage, but use whatever kind you prefer. Let it fry lightly. After frying, add a bit of oil just to brown it. Once it's lightly browned, add 3 garlic cloves, a chopped onion, and half a chopped tomato. Stir and saute lightly. Add some sweet paprika, black pepper, and salt. Mix again. Next, add 2 cups of rice. Mix everything well. Now add 4 cups of water. After a quick stir, cover and wait for the water to be absorbed. Once done, add half a can of corn and half a packet of olives on top. Cover and wait until all the water is absorbed. Now it's time to enjoy. Look how amazing this rice is. Quick, easy, and delicious. I'm sure you'll all love it when you try it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.